If you're watching this, you probably already know ABA, the very combo-based game that requires skills. I've been in this game for about 1 or 2 years now, and I still play like that one beginner Luffy I see every day on public servers. So yeah, in this video, I'll not be playing alone. I'll be trained by my friend Arpicle. Well, he didn't really train me actually, he just beat the hell out of me. Link to his channel in the description, by the way. Now let's get to the video.
So that was the third one. Now this is the fourth one.